Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR pry lever. So it comes with instructions, and there is the lever. It looks like it comes with some gloves, which is always a welcome thing if you're going to be doing demolition work. And we also have rubber grips on here, so it's going to make it a lot nicer to actually hold on to. This is going to have an angle on it to where you can just pull right underneath it and you can pop all that laminate up, which is a lot easier than trying to do something with like a pry bar, especially if you have to be on your hands and knees. This is going to make life so much easier. It also has wheels on it, so you can roll forward and backward. One of the coolest things about this one is it actually has nail pullers on the back. So you can pull forward, run wood up the ramps, and that will probably do most of the work for propping it off. Anything else, you can just kind of pull it up. Then if you have nails sticking out, you can back it over that and then pull those nails out as well. So lots of options for a demolition tool. And the overall length of it is going to make prying so much easier. And it looks like the wheels are steel, so they are magnetic, so you're not going to have to worry about wearing those things out. It is flat on the bottom. We have full-on welds running all the way around it, so these are not just tack welds. This is a solid weld, so this is a heavy-duty piece of equipment. We also have a reinforcement right here on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about bending the handle. So yeah, that is super impressive. On the other side, the handle does have a bend, so it's going to be a little bit more comfortable if you're standing and walking behind it. And it looks like a fairly thick tube on there, about an 1/8 inch thick. So yeah, that is a pretty cool tool.